Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. So we have an unchanged wave count here compared to the previous video. I still wanted to update you because we have a few new developments on the chart. So we take a look at how likely is it that we've already completed this correction down. First thing I would like to do, I'm going to take those support boxes out. They are not really relevant anymore and they are just, I think, messing up the chart here. So they did work for us. Yeah, they were long trade opportunities and we did rise dramatically, well, dramatically, but quite substantially actually after that. So that was a long trade opportunity. They did hold support for a wave 4. That was the purpose, but the wave 4 is now over. So they are not relevant anymore. So I always try to keep the chart as clean as possible, because we have one support area which is now relevant here, which is this one. So we talked about the situation in previous videos that we have most likely finished a wave 3 to the upside and that we are coming down in a 4th wave. We talked about this being most likely an ABC structure, and I gave you a key target in the last video for the C wave, and I think we reached it. Let me just double check that. I think we looked at it in terms of length of the wave A. And no, we didn't reach it yet. We haven't reached it yet. Yeah, I think target was around $73. I can't remember why we had that dotted line here, 74.40, because that was reached. But that is not so important. So the key target is around this 73. Oh, let me just check the FIB retracements actually. Let me check the FIB retracements for the wave 3, because they are relevant for the current wave 4. So if we look at the retracements. Yeah, okay, so we can see that, oh yeah, exactly, I remember we talked about confluence of support in the $73 region, because we've got the 1-to-1 ratio between waves A and C, so the so-called proportionality target, that takes us to $73, and the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of wave 3 also takes us to the $73 target. That is a good confluence here around $73, and to be honest, it fits quite well with the lower level wave count. Because if I look at the subwaves here, A, B, and C, yeah, and if I look at this C wave here, we can see that the C wave does not yet consist of clear 5 waves, yeah, but a C wave would be normally a 5-wave structure. So currently I'm looking at this being possibly a wave 1, this being a wave 2, here a wave 3, here a wave 4, and one leg down to $73. Yeah, it would be ideal, to be honest. It would be ideal. So I'm just going to highlight the $73 level here. My view is that this C wave is unfolding at the moment as an ending diagonal. So basically, you could also argue it's some, descending wedge. And one more leg down would be preferred here to, yeah, around $73. Maybe not exactly there, you can look at this support level here. It might take us down to 73.50 or something. They don't always need to be reached to the, the exact cent value. But yeah, so I think we are pretty much at the end of this correction. Important to understand a few things here. In this current wave 4, we can theoretically drop down to around $69 and it is still a wave 4. You can still consider it a wave 4. But it's only below this level, which is the 50% FIB retracement of wave 3, that we cannot really consider it a wave 4 anymore. Then we're looking at something more bearish and I cannot trust this particular wave count anymore. Then we have to assume a more substantial top is in place and we are breaking down possibly in a 1-2 setup or even something more bearish. We need to take a look at it then. But at the moment we can go with this wave count, but the invalidation point would be $69. Not really invalidation, because invalidation would only strictly occur if we drop below $64.35, below the wave 1 high, because if the wave 4 cuts into wave 1, it's not an impulse anymore. But in reality, any wave 4 that drops below the 50% level is not really a wave 4 anymore. Okay, that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.